So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Google Photos are just not loading. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the big thing that kind of happens every once in a while is that sometimes if you actually scroll too fast or if you have a ton of photos, available, it can take a long time for these photos to load, especially if you're loading up things like shared albums or library, like things that aren't stored on your phone. If they're stored on other people's devices and they're sharing them to you, if you don't have a good Wi-Fi connection or a good cell signal, those specific photos or videos are just not going to load. So what I would recommend doing here is going and clicking on sharing. So clicking on or whatever other panel you have and see how long it takes for those photos to load up. If they load up just like instantaneous, but other ones just aren't loading, that basically means that those specific, your cell signal, your Wi-Fi connection, whatever, just isn't that strong, and that's why you're running into this issue. So connect to a better cell signal, or just check and verify and see if your things are super slow or whatever, because chances are your Wi-Fi connection or whatever might be super slow, and you might have to fix that before continuing on. Now, if your Wi-Fi connection is fine, the next thing you're going to want to do is go and open up your Google Play Store, and all you're going to want to do here is just go through and essentially update your Google Photos application. So go into Google Photos, you want to type in Google, you want to type in Photos, just like this, and all you're going to want to do is see if there's an update available for your Google Photos application. Chances are there's probably an update available, and all you're going to have to do here once again is just to update your Google Photos application. Once it's updated, that's pretty much all you're going to have to do, and you're pretty much going to be good to go after this specific point. Now, if that's still not working, you're going through and you're updating it and that's still not working, you may just want to make sure that your specific phone doesn't have any weird issues. You can try restarting your Android phone or whatever phone you have. You can also try seeing if there's an update available for your device. Sometimes you may just need to update your phone. So find out where your update panel is, see if there's an update available, and just go ahead and update your device. And that's another thing you can try doing as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.